Hey guys, this is the quick walk around and the small information video about the Audi e-tron. Audi launched their first electric vehicle in India in 2021. So this is the Audi e-tron 2 models, which is the Audi e-tron and Audi e-tron GT, which cost around 1 crore 20,000, 20 lakhs around. So these two vehicles comes with 5-seater capacity. Talking about the battery capacity, this is the 95 kilowatt battery and max power delivery is 300 and max torque, you can say torque, is 664 and the range of the vehicle is company claimed 484 in the kilometer is the range, but in actual 400 kilometers can easily go. This car comes with very highly what I say features. And talking about the battery warranty, company claimed 8 year of battery warranty and 1 lakh 60 kilometers of warranty, both which whatever comes first, and 5 year of road assistance 24/7 365 days.